Hello guys, Jordan here from Artisan Electrics. Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I'm not in my usual place today because I'm here in sunny Malaga and I'm enjoying a bit of rest and relaxation after a hectic year. And I just wanted to share with you some updates and also do the usual thing that I do on holiday, which is look at the electrics. So this is another episode of Electrics Abroad. And we're going to see what the Spanish electrics are like today. So if you enjoyed this video, as always, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get into the video. Presiento que tras la noche vendrá la noche más larga. So I'm here on the balcony. As you can see, it's quite a nice balcony with a beautiful view across the city here in our Airbnb, and we've got an outside socket here, so let's take a look at this. So this is a standard European socket outlet, 16 amp rated I believe, and this one's an outdoor one, IP44. I guess it's just for, well, I don't know what they might want to plug in out here. Maybe they need to run the Hoover out here every so often or something. We've got an outside light as well. So this is an IP53 outside light. And there's a switch on the inside. Here is the top bedroom, and you can see a switch here, which does the outside light, I presume, yeah. Air conditioning unit, sockets by the bed, more sockets, TV and data points, and we've got recessed down lights. Here is a bathroom, and let's see, the light switch is here, okay. And guess what? Hey, classic European setup. We've got a socket outlet next to the sink. Don't you just love it? This seems to be classic in Europe, and probably the reason why is that people like to dry their hair after they've had a shower, which for me is totally logical, and my wife doesn't understand why on earth you would not have that set up, as probably many Europeans, French, German, Dutch, etc. would probably wonder, why do we not have a socket next to the sink in the bathroom? Because now I have to go all the way through to the bedroom to dry my hair. Anyway, I'll leave that one with you. So we've got a shower here, no electrics to see. Downstairs, the main event down here. This is what everyone wants to know about. So, quick look at what's on here. We've got various lights, nothing particularly exceptional there, but the distribution board. What have we got? So, main switch and surge protection device. So it's a 40 amp double pole main switch, and it looks like it's actually not just a main switch but an MCB. So that protects the whole installation, so it seems like it's limited to 40 amps. Corte General, I presume that means main switch. Sobre tension, I presume that means surge protection. And then we've got differential partial, which is this, so that's an RCD. I'm guessing it's a dual split board, so you can see here the two differential partials. Split load board, a little bit like we have in the UK, one RCD protecting several circuits, another RCD protecting another set of circuits. So this RCD is 40 amp, 30 milliamp rated, and it's protecting this circuit, which is a C25, which is for vitroceramica, which I think probably means the glass hob. Then you've got a C16 here, which is thermo, heating maybe, something like that. Lavagilas, I guess that's like washing machine maybe. Usos varios cocina, various sockets in the kitchen. Usos varios vivendas, I guess that's various use sockets in the living areas. Another differential partial, again 30 milliamp, 40 amp. And then we've got C25, which is air condicionado, I think that means air conditioning. Lavadora, washing machine. Secadora, drying, tumble dryer. And alumbrado, no idea what that is, a C10. Oh, that must be the lights. So all the lights are on the same circuit. So yeah, interesting setup. Double pole MCBs, which we don't see in the UK, but if you've seen my previous video about electrics abroad that I did in Portugal, it was a similar setup. You've got double pole MCBs, and actually for me it makes sense to do this because you switch not only the live but also the neutral, and when it comes to fault finding, insulation tests, etc., it's so much easier. You get a clear reading rather than reading back through the neutral and earth if you've got a PME system. So I think it's quite a good idea, but obviously it takes up a lot of space, so it's quite a big distribution board. It's obviously recessed into the wall, not the standard setup that we would have in the UK where they're surface mounted usually, but it's quite a neat little setup really. Quite like it. Let's see if there's anything else interesting. Sockets and stuff in the kitchen, nothing really particularly interesting here. Water heater. So this is kind of like, I guess, the boiler for the whole place. Just plugs in. It's quite a big hot water tank. And then we've got washing machine underneath. Oven and hob, pretty standard. Ventilation in the bathroom. And again, we've got a socket next to the sink. Classic. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you experienced installing anything like this before? I'd love to know. Nice boat.
Take a look to this power and that one. There is a difference. Or for example, this one, you can take a look.
So despite the weather, we did actually have a really nice time. We had a few days of rain and crazy hail, but overall it was nice and relaxing. Let me know in the comments where you like to go on holiday to chill out and unwind after a busy year. And if you enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
I hope you enjoyed another episode of An Electrician Abroad. Thanks for watching and have a great day.